So we were working on a 2005 Honda Pilot. We're going to be doing the rear brakes on this thing. First thing you want to do is actually go ahead, loosen up all the lug nuts, and then jack up the vehicle, and then take off the lug nuts all the way. This is sped up, obviously, because it's kind of boring. You probably don't want to see this, but just make sure you loosen up the lug nuts before you lift up the tire. You're going to be spinning the tire. Next thing you want to do, you have 2 bolts that hold on the caliper. They're 12 millimeter. And just got a wrench and just tapping them up. On the passenger side, you tap them up. On the driver's side, you tap them down. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Just make sure that you don't tighten them accidentally. So then go ahead, just pull those 2 bolts out. They're exact same size, so you don't have to worry about that at all. And we'll get the caliper loose. Once the caliper is loose, it'll give us access to the brake pads, the rear brake pads. I went with Bosch brake pads, Bosch QuietCast brake pads. I'll put a link in the description below where I do a quick review about them, but I've used them on a lot of Hondas and Acuras and have had very good luck with them. No squeaking, no noise, barely any brake dust, and great stopping power. So what I'm pointing at there is the pin. That's a slide pin that the caliper rides on. It's best if you remove them both and get the old grease off of them. And I'll show you how to re-grease them here in a second. Now I'm just taking off the old brake pads. You can see they're really worn down. And if I should have shown you guys, and I still have them, I guess I could show you, but they're kind of worn unevenly. And when I say unevenly, the top is actually thinner than the bottom, so that's a good indication that the caliper was not sliding correctly. And that's another good reason why to always lube up the caliper guide pins when you do a brake job. If you guys need to take off the rotor, I'll put a link in the description below of some guys that are doing that. But typically there's a parking brake on the inside of the drum, and a lot of the times those don't need to be replaced for a long time. Right there I'm showing you pulling off the old hardware. That's where the actual brake pads slide onto. The new pads came with new hardware, so just taking those out to be able to put the new hardware in. Before I push the brake caliper piston back in, I like to open up the brake reservoir, the cap for the brake reservoir, just in case there's any fluid that comes back up. There will be fluid that comes back up, brake fluid that comes back up into the system, and you just don't want to blow the seal out on the cap of the brake reservoir. So right there, this is sped up, but I just get a 6-inch C-clamp and push the brake caliper piston back into place. Just showing you what it looks like once it's back into place. You have to do that or you won't have enough room to put the new brake pads in, because there's a lot more meat on the new brake pads, and it has to be done. So right here I'm showing you guys how to lube up the pins, the caliper slide pins. Just get some brake cleaner and spray that on. It basically takes off the old grease, or helps get off the old grease. Then I'll bring in some Napa Siliglide. Part number is 7651351, and just put a little bit on my finger and then go ahead and coat up both of the slide pins. That's all you got to do. If it was really hard to get out, if the pin was really hard to get out, you might want to check on the inside of the caliper where the pin goes into. Make sure there's no rust or anything. So right here I'm just putting the pins back into place. There is a top one and a bottom one, so when you guys pull them out, make sure you keep track of which one is bottom. Typically on Hondas and Acuras, the one on the bottom is the one that has the rubber boot at the very end of the pin. It's kind of a quick way to tell up and down, or top and bottom I should say. So right here I have the new hardware for the brake pads, and just putting it in onto the slides where the actual brake pad slides on these guides. It's a good idea to do this just because you don't want any noise or anything coming from the brake pads when they contract or expand. It also helps the brake pad slide a little bit better. If you don't get new hardware with it, some brake pad kits don't come with new hardware. If you don't get new hardware, you can always use the old hardware. Just make sure you get some brake cleaner and possibly an old toothbrush, and just scrub out the area where the brake pads slide onto, and then once that's clean, hit it with some more brake cleaner and then put the Siliglide back on. I have the new brake pads on this particular vehicle, on the Honda Pilot, the sensor goes on the inside facing down, and the sensor is what is used when the brake pad gets really low. The sensor hits the rotor and it makes some noise, so you can tell that the brake pads are getting low. With the hammer, I'm just tapping in the new hardware. It didn't seat all the way correctly, or didn't seat all the way, I should say. And with that being said, I just tap it into place just to help get the new pads back in. You can see right there on the left hand side how thick the new meat is on the brake pad material, how thick it is. So I'm just putting the brake pads back into place. After this, I'll bring back in the caliper, tighten down the bolts, the brake caliper bolts. This just takes a little bit of finesse. You want to start one, just start one by hand, or yeah, start them both by hand. But you basically just get a bolt, start it by hand, make sure you line it up, get a few threads, and then go ahead, start the bottom one, get a few threads, because you're going to want to be able to move it around, up, down, left, right, the caliper, just so you can reach the hole that the bolt goes into. It's not really hard, just make sure you get them both started before you tighten them down. So just bring in a wrench, tighten them down, hand tight. You don't have to, there's a torque specification, but I've always done the torque spec of good and tight. So we're good to go. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and close up the brake reservoir. Check your level. I'm going to show you some brake fluid that I use here in a second. But make sure after you're done, make sure that you check your brake reservoir level. Make sure there's enough brake fluid. If there's too much, go ahead, you can take some out. This is the brake fluid that I typically use. It is Honda and Acura compliant. So if you need to top off, you need to take some out, take some out. Just make sure that you're at the max level on the reservoir. And then before you start the vehicle, make sure that you press the brake pedal 10 times, because you need the brake pads to seat onto the rotors before you drive. If you don't, you'll start driving and you won't have any brake pads. So there you go, guys. Just a quick video on how to do rear brake pads on a Honda Pilot.